So I'm in the organization Erasmus Student Network, or shortly ESN, of Gothenburg, or ESN Göteborg. And currently I'm the president there. So my tasks are to set up meetings, to think about how to improve the team, to support the team, and of course to welcome new students from all over the world for doing their exchange or their program in Sweden and Gothenburg. I think the role of the organization ESN, with me as part in it, is that I can great communicate the goals of migration to integration, or so important topics we talked about I can bring to our meetings, and we can think about how we want to implement information and maybe start events which are towards including refugees, to include migrants and immigrants. I think this training is very important for ESN Göteborg, especially because in Sweden is a high amount of refugees in relation to the number of residents living in Sweden. So therefore, I think it's important to bring the topic to each city and now to Göteborg, and to start implementing, not only talking, but also trying to really realize projects and events which can include migrants and immigrants. I think the kind of tools which I can bring to Colombia are that I'm experienced in working with international students. I was working in the international office before, so I know the difficulties, and as I'm also an international student, I'm struggling with them as well. So I know to a certain degree how it feels to be new to a place. Of course, I don't know what it means to lose or to have a loss, but therefore still I think I have an understanding, and I think it's important for me to bring it here to share my experience. Also, I studied psychology in my bachelor and now communication in my master. So I think these are essential topics which I can bring to the program, because you always need to communicate, and you always need psychological knowledge about people and how their feelings are. And yes, so I think that's what I'm bringing. My expectations of these trainings are that we learn about integration, about migration, also especially in Colombia, since we are already here. And so far they were met because we went to a local NGO and get to know the people and their work they are doing. And I think it's amazing because the people we met are just in my young age, so it's nice to see how young people can already make a change. And I think it's very empowering to see that and to experience it. So I'm looking forward to the next days and to see what else we will learn. I would really like to welcome you in Sweden, in Gothenburg, the city where I study. I think it's amazing, and it would be very nice if you can come, join us there and see what it's like.